Hello my darlings, and welcome back to my channel, That Crafty Gamer, where I combine gaming and crafting all in one channel. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. I hope you find something you will enjoy and you will consider subscribing. I'd love to have you as a member of my community. In today's video, I am just posting a picture frame that I did over the holiday season. It was a gift. It was the only one of the series that I didn't post. I am working on some thrift store flips, but I am brainstorming right now what to do with them. I did do some thrift store shopping, I guess like last Thursday or Friday, but I haven't really got my ideas together yet as far as what I want to do with the things that I bought. So once I get those together, I will put probably just another thrift store flip up on the channel, hopefully on Tuesday. Sometimes it does take me some time to figure out what I want to do with the videos, so just bear with me on that, and I will hopefully have a new DIY thrift store flip up for you guys next Tuesday, hopefully. So anyway, on another note, I am thinking about bringing back my Celebrating My Subscriber series, and if you guys check the community tab, you will see that I did post a little information about that. I posted like my original video showing what the Celebrating My Subscriber series is all about, and if you want, you could just check out that playlist. It's my Celebrating My Subscribers is the name of that playlist if you guys want to check that out. I'd love to bring that back, and I'm also brainstorming on possibly bringing in another series honoring our military families past and present. So anyway, let me know in the comments below what you guys think of those ideas. If I have military people that are watching or military families that are watching, if you think you would be interested in hearing more about how I want to honor our military families, just comment below. Let me know you're interested. If you're interested in this Celebrating My Subscriber series and want more information on that, also comment down below about that, and I will answer your questions the best that I can. Sorry, my throat's dry. I've been streaming all night since 7, so it's about, I don't know, 3.5 hours or something I streamed. But anyway, so in this video, I'm just fixing up this frame. I hope y'all enjoy it. And like I said, if you want to know anything about the Celebrating My Subscriber series or the Honoring Our Military Families series that I'm thinking about doing, just comment below, and maybe I'll get your contact information and let you know what I'm thinking about doing. So, but anyway, I think I'll just let you guys finish watching this video. There's really no commentary for it, to be honest with you, because it's just me painting the frame and coming up with the design and everything for it as far as how I want to paint it and all that. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this video, and yeah, I'll let you listen to the music and finish the video. I hope y'all have a great day. Thank you so much for being here, and I appreciate all your support as always. And please try and stop by a live stream sometime. That is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, usually at 7. And it's not set in stone, but those are the days I do live stream. So if you feel like you might want to catch a live stream sometime, just hit that notification button and it'll let you know when I post a video or if I go live. So anyway, enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see y'all later. right, my darling, so that concludes this picture frame, and I think it turned out lovely. I do hope to get better with stencils, because having to actually write it in with the pencil and then actually paint over it, it's extra work, whereas if I can learn to use the stencils better just with the little paint dabber or whatever to fill in the stencil, it would be way better. But this is our finished project. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did and you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you like the video, consider sharing it with others if you think they might like it. And yeah, thanks again for watching. I appreciate your support as always. And yeah, comment down below letting me know what you think of the project. And until next time, my darlings, I will catch you later. Bye!